All right, guys, well, we are here in our backyard, Lake Berryessa, at the Turtle Rock Cafe, and finally we have the R9T. Babe, this color. Whoo, hey, look at that helmet. Dang, girl. Eddie painted her helmet. MT-09 R9T Racer. We finally got it back from Eddie, and let's take it for a ride. This is kind of our first ride. I haven't ridden this thing in months, I think, since the last video, you guys. So I think I had just put the exhaust on and literally within a week sent it up to Eddie. So let's get out on Berryessa. You ready? Oh boy, I love it, babe. Alrighty. Out to Rutherford, one of my favorite rides, one of my favorite sections of Berryessa. So the color of this thing is just absolutely amazing. I cannot, huge shout out to Eddie. So if you guys haven't seen, we'll link it up above, the pickup of it. So we just picked it up from Eddie this week, and I told Bogdan, I was like, we got to go for a ride this weekend. So here we are. So make sure you check out the pickup video. But just the major props to Eddie for making this bike just absolutely stunning. It's just, I can't get over the color. And so I wanted to tell you guys kind of the whole story about it. I've kind of kept it a little under wraps, but if you guys have been following us on Instagram, you guys kind of got a few sneak peeks of some stuff that was going on. But if you don't follow Eddie, Shreddog Hydrographics, follow him because he lets out all of my secrets on his Instagram and Facebook. We've got some stuff going on with him soon, so make sure you follow him. But you know, me and Bogdan, we were out kind of car shopping for her, and we stumbled into the BMW dealer, and she drove the M2 competition. She didn't like it. I loved it. I thought she should have bought it, but she decided against it, and she decided she's gonna continue her search. But we walked into the dealership, and there it was, the BMW, the 2020 BMW M8 competition, and the color, Dravit Gray. And I walked over to it, and I looked at Bogna, and I says, R9T. And she looked at me and said, absolutely, hands down, no questions. So I sent a picture of the car to Eddie, and was like, all right, guy, we figured it out, and this is what we're gonna go with. Can you figure out the color? And so we got him a color code. We got the color code from BMW, and the color, so you guys can understand how this color works. It's not a metallic color. So when we do a metallic color, Eddie was explaining to me, the paint has like a metallic in the paint, and then there's the metallic that goes on top in addition. This is a single stage paint, so the gray is single stage. The gold is a pearl on top of the gray. So when you look at it in the dark, you just see a single stage gray. You don't see the pearl, essentially. But when you get out in the sun, it just, oh my goodness, I love it. So yeah, so we I texted Eddie and was like, all right, it's been decided. And I've been talking with you guys for a little while about what color do we do, what scheme do we do. We talked about, you know, me and Eddie talked about pinstriping it, and I kind of wanted to do some, like, maybe some gold flaking in it, and like a stripe, and we found some different stuff. But when I found this color, I just said, you know what, that's it. That's all this bike needs is this color. I don't need any stripes. I don't need anything. So we, I'm not sure if that was a cop or not. I'm not sure if I passed him fast. Well, Bogman's behind me. Yeah, so we took it up to Eddie, and he did his magic, and it just is stunning. I know I keep saying it, but you guys, if you guys are local, if you guys know, if you guys are around, I run into people every so often. You guys have to see this bike in person. We want to get out more, so if you guys are local to the Bay Area, let us know, because riding season is almost upon us. We're about beginning of February right now, but we haven't had any rain all week, and we don't have any rain the next week, so we're going to be able to get out and do some riding. So let us comment down below if you guys are local and would like to hit up a little ride with us and do a little Cali Moto TV ride. So as you guys know, we have the Boss header and the Two Bros exhaust. I have some news. You guys will have to stay tuned for this video, but as much as I love the Two Bros exhaust, it is leaving the R9T, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because the Noisemaker is getting a new can. So stay tuned for that. So you've guys seen in the previous videos. If you guys haven't seen in the previous videos, please go back and watch some of the R9T videos. I think I actually am, you know, I may make a R9T collection playlist, because there's a bunch of you guys that follow us for the R9T, and maybe make it easier for you guys to go and sort through the playlist for the R9T, if that's what you guys are just interested in. But we have a lot of stuff still going on with this. So what I was originally thinking of saying was the hydro dipping of the carbon fiber that Eddie did had a twang of gold in it. So when this is outside, the carbon fiber goes very, very well with this paint. If you guys aren't familiar with the hydro dipping, again, get over and watch Eddie, because he just did some stuff for the farm truck, and he kind of shows the process of the hydro dipping. It's basically a film that he lays down on water, and he dips parts, and then it permanently adheres to the part. So all of the carbon fiber that's on the R9T is all hydro dipped. So it's very, very nice. I love it. I love it. So I just have to say again, a huge thank you to Eddie. If you guys again follow him on Facebook and Instagram, but he does a lot of small parts. So if you guys have some stuff that you guys want to get hydro dipped or painted, even if you have a full set of body work, you can drop ship him body work from a manufacturer. He does race body work, he does all kinds of stuff, so go check him out. And you can send him just about anything, and he'll paint it, he'll dip it. We're gonna get into some plastic dipping soon. The only bad part is my little buddy's up in Chico, so it's a little ways away from me, so kind of sucks. But you guys, the R9T is back, and I absolutely love this thing. If you guys are thinking about a racer, I know a lot of people comment about how the racer, it has Pogna's moving today. Damn, babe. You know, this thing out on the twisties is just a maze. So if you guys are looking for an R9T Racer, pick one up, because we've got the Boxer Cup in Europe starting up again, and the word of it starting up here in Moto America. So hit it up. Check out the R9T Racer stuff out on YouTube. Follow Nate Kern. Nate Kern is just He's our U.S. rider on the R9T in the Boxer Cup, and that guy just can smash. I idolize that guy so much on this R9T. I mean, he's just a kick-ass rider. So check out Nate Kern. But so much stuff going on with the R9Ts, and they're such a great bike. So, but I think I'll give you guys 30 seconds of silence so you guys can hear the R9T Racer roar for one less ride with the Two Bros Screamer exhaust. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and of course comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of the R9T? Do you love it? Comment down below. And babe, let's hit the outro. 30 seconds of the R9T Racer making some noise in the back roads of Lake Hennessy.